We're here at 2509 Delk Avenue, Nashville, Tennessee. Claim number 426Q876S. 8/23/2024 is today's date. So we got a shingle off this house and we sent it to ITIL. It came back, the report, and it said the shingle was discontinued. So adjuster came and said we should try to do the intent repair with Autumn Brown Royal Souvenir 3 tab. So right here I marked the shingle that I would do the intent repair with, and the square will be the shingles that could possibly get damaged while doing the intent repair. I got a crowbar, a hammer, and a measuring tape to measure, make sure they're the same length and the same width. If not, then it will be automatically failed for the intent of repair. So you can see it already broke right here, tear off. Also, you can see this wheel right here, tear off right here and right here. As you can see, it just broke right here. Trying to do the intent repair right here, and you can see it already has crease shingles right here, and this shingle does too. You can see this one just tear off easily without doing so much force. Here's the old shingle, and doesn't look like it has transition of material. So we're gonna open this up. So we're gonna put the bottom, the brand new one on the bottom. Put the old shingle on top. it looks like the old shingle is bigger than the new one. We're gonna find that out. So as you can see closely, the shingles are almost the same. It has 1 foot of width. This one's a little bit smaller, as you can see. It is a 16 smaller. So the intensive repair has been, it's a failed. You cannot do the intensive repair because the shingle is smaller. Also, you can see that it does not match in color. So matching color test is a fail too. Also, there's too many creased shingles that has been damaged, and which I marked with chalk right here. Even this shingle has been damaged. Also, you can see right here, this shingle is way smaller on the length. If you could tell, there's a big gap in between. So the intensive repair has failed. Put these nails back.
Oh, man.
Also, you can tell this one just broke right now.
This roof is not repairable, but
No.
hell no. Hell no.
So the intent has been a failed